Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this brand new Peugeot e-Traveller 75kWh Allure Standard that does come complemented in the desired yet modernised Nera black paintwork. Complete as a fully electric vehicle offering a range of up to 217 miles. It can also reach up to 80% charge in just 48 minutes using a rapid public charger. Alongside housing AC and DC charging capabilities, you do also have your LED daytime running headlights with eco technology. Alongside your 17-inch alloys, you do even have your power folding wing mirrors. Moving into the boot area, there is plenty of space with the option to fold the rear seats down for even further storage, followed with the passenger area that can easily be accessed via the electric sliding doors, revealing a luxurious leather trim and as part of the rear 7-seat pack for larger families or groups. And you do have a further convenience with your pull-down trays, followed in the front by your multifunctional leather steering wheel for even further convenience, with access to your central touch display and again your low maintenance and luxury leather trim in the front. This is followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit display, with all of your audio options with a wide variety of radio stations. You do also have the added convenience of your cruise control and limited features and variation of driving modes for a more efficient drive. And moving across, you do have a wide selection of radio stations once again, with your built-in navigation to help you around those unfamiliar areas. And of course, you do have your Bluetooth connection to listen to your own preferred audio or make hands-free calls, alongside all of your vital vehicle information and general settings. You do also have the activation of your sensors and camera when you are manoeuvring to get into those awkward spots, followed below by your dual climate control and even your handy power outlets, followed by your drive mode selection for an enhanced driving experience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.